Hello, and welcome to the Bloomberg Terminal here at Lehman College. Today, we will be going over how to create a Bloomberg Terminal login. Let's start by double-clicking on the Bloomberg icon here on our desktop. Wait shortly for it to start up. When it does, press Enter on your keyboard or click here. Please feel free to click on your preferred language. Then, let's click on Create a New Login here at the bottom left of the screen. This brings us to the welcome page of the Bloomberg Terminal. Answer the two prompts shown on the screen, and please note you should be creating this account for yourself and no one else if you are a student. When done, click on Next. On this page, please fill out your user information. Put in your first name and last name, and a login name will be automatically provided. Feel free to use this login name or change it to your preferred username. In the Contact Information section, use your personal number and be sure to use your Lehman email. Okay, now please click Next at the bottom right of the screen here, and we will be brought to the verification page. On this page, pick whichever you would like to receive the verification code, whether via email, text, or call. We highly suggest by text as it may take more time than 5 minutes to receive the email. If you do not receive a code after 10 minutes, click on either Resend Code or contact a representative to help you out. Once code is received, we will go ahead and enter it in the orange bar and press Continue. In this page, please create a password with the following password requirements found here on this section. And please do not forget to write down your password and keep it in a secure place. And there you have it. You have now created a new login for the Bloomberg Terminal. If you are having trouble with creating a login or have any questions, please visit the Bloomberg Terminal in the Leonard Lief Library so we can assist you as best as we can. Ours can be found on the library website.